Today I'm going to work on the Tsunami Coffee project. So number one, they want us to add a cover size background image to .main. We're going to go to CSS, find .main on line 14 and add background image, and we're going to copy and paste this URL. Background position, center. Let's save, and there's the image. Number two, the navigation items. At the top of the page, need more padding. Add 0.75 rem to the top and bottom and 1.25 left and right. Checking here on HTML, store hours wholesale are the list items. So we're going to go to style CSS and find li and add padding 0.75 rem and 1.25 rem. Save, and now you have more room on the navigation items. Number three, the coffee beans image under the main banner in the supporting section is too large. Set the height and width dimensions to 10%. We're going to go to supporting image and set width to 10%. Number four, the text to the right of the coffee bean needs to space out further from the image. Set the right margin of the image to 5%. Margin 5%. Number five, the font size of the rating should be increased within the rating session. Use RM units to make the H1 text equivalent to 40 pixels. So the font size is 16 pixels, and if we check the hint, it says that 1 RM would be for 16 pixels, 2 would be for 32 pixels, and 2.5 would be 40 pixels. So we're going to go to dot rating H1 and add font size 2.5 rem. Number six, it's asking us to add a width of 100% to the dot location image CSS rule to fix this map scale. Let's find dot location image and add width 100%. It looks better. Number seven, when the page is resized to a smaller width, the page needs to resize and reorganize its elements using media queries. Write a media query that targets the screen when its width is under 960 pixels. So we're going to add media only screen and max width of 960 pixels. Dot main, padding top 0. Let's save. And now the padding is gone. Number 9, write a media query for screens under 700 pixels. So we're going to do the same thing as previously, but we're going to change to 700 pixels. Inside the media query, make the image disappear by ensuring that dot supporting image selector displays nothing. You can add display none. Dot supporting image display none. Hit save, and if you change the size of the page, you can see that the coffee beans image is gone if the page is under 700 pixels. So the paragraph has more room. For number 11, we're going to add media only screen and max width of 470 pixels. For number 12, we're going to make the ratings H1 font size equivalent to 32 pixels. 16 pixels is 1 rem, so 32 would be 2 rem. So we're going to add dot ratings H1, font size 2 rem. And if we save, we can see that this text is a little bit smaller. Making it easier to read in a smaller screen. Number 13, the images in the gallery are too small for small screens. Select the images in the gallery and style them so that they'll fill the width of the screen. Then set their margin to 0 so they span across the entire page. Let's select gallery images with 100%, padding 0. margin 0. Now if we save, the images are going to occupy much more space. Number 14, the footer's text is not formatted correctly on small screen sizes. Hide the nav inside the footer to appear better on small screens. Then, resize the screen from small to large and watch your website changes its appearance to best fit the screen size. You just built a responsive website. So we're going to add footer nav, display none. Let's save and resize the screen. And now you have just Tsunami Coffee showing up. And we're all done with the Tsunami Coffee project.